Transferring contacts from your iPhone to Outlook doesn't have to be a hassle. In this video, we'll show you 4 quick methods to move your iPhone or iPad contacts to Outlook, saving you time and effort. Part 1. Transfer iPhone contacts to Outlook via iOS Transfer. iOS Transfer lets you easily move iPhone or iPad contacts to Outlook, including all details. It also allows backup, editing, and deletion. Sync and manage contacts effortlessly and securely. Here is the detailed steps of transferring iPhone contacts to Outlook. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer with USB cable, then launch the program. When your iPhone is detected by the program, you'll see an interface like below. Step 2. Tap Info in the top menu and select Contacts to preview all contact info. Step 3. Select the contacts to sync. Click Export to Outlook and wait for the process to complete. Part 2. Sync iPhone contacts to Outlook with iTunes. Download or upgrade iTunes. Connect your iPhone via USB, and it will be recognized. Click the iPhone icon, then select Info under Settings. Tick the option of Sync Contacts with and select Outlook in the right panel. Here, you can choose to sync all contacts or groups according to your own needs. After that, click Apply button to confirm the settings. Part 3. Sync iPhone contacts with Outlook via iCloud. Syncing your iPhone contacts with Outlook is straightforward using iCloud. By linking your iCloud account to Outlook, you can automatically keep contacts, calendars, and tasks up to date across devices. Install iCloud, sign in, and enable contacts for Outlook sync. For email, create an iCloud email. On iPhone, enable contacts and calendars. Select Keep on my iPhone. Then turn on Push to sync. Part 4. Sync contacts from iPhone to Outlook via Exchange. In Settings, Mail, Contacts, Calendars on your iPhone. Tap Exchange or Add Account Exchange. Enter your email, username, password, and server address. Select Contacts to sync. Then tap Save to sync iPhone contacts with Outlook.